What are you seeing as the trends right now with respect to how people are going about building a plan to research what's going on their websites?
Well, I think they're really paying more attention to the online space overall, and I think those who are knowledgeable and progressive and open to new ideas are very enthusiastic about this attitudinal component to the analytics space which we're bringing. So I think for those that are in tune with their customer online and really trying to capitalize on the full potential that the web could bring to their organization on a whole, I think they get very excited by what we're doing. And not only have I not seen pushback, but I've just seen this concept and the philosophies which we bring embraced to a very big degree.
I would think that it would be key for you when you're going out there to make the case that companies need to operationalize this data, that they can't let it just sit there in a silo without action. How do you convey the importance of operationalizing it? And as a second part of that question, what are some of the tactics that you see companies doing to take the numbers from our surveys and pushing those into meaningful information that they can socialize within their companies?
As far as how to operationalize this, I think we really need to become entrenched in the daily, weekly, monthly practices of the research team, of the team that's responsible for the web. How that's done strategically is obviously very much dependent on the organization, so I think that's best approach with a case-by-case type approach as opposed to a blanketed, this is how it should be done, especially with all these different teams and the corporate hierarchy, so you never know how the organizations are structured. But I think your question is making a very valuable point in and of itself in that, and this is the point I try to convey as well, is that it's great to collect tremendous insight into the customer, but it's really only as valuable as what the organization is going to do with it. I think that's where myself, the main point of contact on their side, their stakeholders, as well as our research analysts, should really all get involved as far as this isn't a 1-month initiative, this isn't a 3-month initiative. We're really getting into this to change how the organization looks at the web and their presence on the web and the experience for their visitors.
Honest, persuasive, eloquent, as always. Michael Gerstel, thank you for taking the time.
Thank you, Michael.